So this next video features the review worksheet for and O. You can find the PDF of this worksheet and you'll see the PDF that says and O review. All right, it'll look something like this. I'm going to read the sentences and then I'm going to read the dialogues for O. Okay, so this first sentence, sentence number 1, it is fun to talk on the phone. Number 2, bring the comb when you come back. And you can repeat these if you'd like. Number 3, there was a crumb on the chrome. Number 4, he mowed around the mud. Number 5, that rogue stole my rug. Number 6, I will hum a tune on my way home. Number 7, cope with a cup of tea. Number 8, there was a note about the nut. All right, so your first column here, I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers for these, but for the column, fun, come, crumb, mud, rug, hum, cup, nut. For the second column, O, the words are phone, comb, chrome, mode, rogue, home, cope, note. All right, next I'm going to read the dialogue for O. It says, Joe, Rose, and Tony at work. I'm just going to read all the lines. I'm going to read everybody's lines. All right, so I'll begin with Joe. Hello? Hold the phone a minute. Excuse me, hold the phone a moment. Mona? Where did Mona go? Rose, I suppose she went home. Tony, you're only joking, aren't you, Rose? Rose, oh no. She planned to soak the clothes, mow the lawn, and sew her new yellow coat. Tony, she won't have time to answer the phone. Joe, hello. Mona's gone home. Goodbye. I forgot, it's her afternoon off. Tony, that Mona, she's worth her weight in gold. Rose, speaking of gold, Tony, you owe me over $4. Tony, oh, say, Joe, how about a loan? I want to take Rose to the show. Joe, sorry, no loan. All right, so that was just a little review of this worksheet. You know, practice those, practice pronouncing the O, making sure that you're, opening your lips just a little bit first and then finish with rounding O.